gonna show you how to do a flat tire. Oh, I'll do that later. Yeah. Alright, what you're gonna need is, a spare tire, preferably one like this. Alright, so some stuff you need to get started. For this truck, you need a 1 1/16" socket, an extension, and a gosh darn impact with electricity and stuff. Okay. I also recommend you set your parking brake and get you a block over there so you can block the tires. Yep. Hold on, I ain't done yet. Safety first. Want to do is we're gonna put our tools together. We're gonna loosen up some nuts before we get taking them tires off. Before you jack the truck up, okay? Don't take them off all the way. Just loosen them up a little bit so you can turn them. Now you can start jacking your truck up. And now we can take the lug nuts all the way off. I'm like in NASCAR or something. NASCAR pit stop, dude. I bet y'all wish you thought of this, huh? This one's already off. I like to go in a cross pattern because it's got 8 lug nuts instead of 5. Like a little Prius. Take your flat tire and push it on the side. Look at all the dirt! This thing dirty, man. I gotta do something about that. All filthy. Gotta do something about this. I gotta clean my rims too. This is a nice paint job here. See, that's criminy. So let's say the inside tire is flat, okay? This one's flat. You just slide it off. Roll this thing out of the way. Now you have your brake drums, what it's called. If this tire will stay off of me, it won't turn because you got your parking brake on. Ugh. That's good. And if your vehicle is a dually, if you just put the spare tire on the inside and then put the good tire on the outside, that way it looks better. Go ahead and slap my spare Goodyear on here. That's just how I roll. I think that's it. Now this one is cleaner and much more worthy of the outside. Okay, this one's a little bit harder to get on. Gotta kind of grab up on here a little bit. If you get it up over the hub, you're good. All right. I didn't do the front tires because it's really hard to put the front tire on. Right. You gotta kind of line it up and get it over. Well, there's no hub there, so you can't really hang it up anywhere. Put your lug nuts on there. Wait. Hold on a second. Take your lug nut back. Picture of facts from Trace Kill's Almanac. You're gonna want to put some of this stuff on your lug nuts. It's called Never Sees. You can get it whatever dang store you want to get it at. What you do is just go ahead and put it on your threads. You know what this does? I'll show you later what it does. Now you go ahead and put the lug nuts on here and make sure the wheel's lined up right. You're gonna want to do a crisscross pattern if you got 8 lug nuts. Yeah, if you got 6, I think it's probably the same, just with one less criss and or cross. What you do is you put 2 lug nuts on there. You put 2 lug nuts on here, this one up here, this one at the, okay, then take your, you don't want to mess up the paint like I just did. Very nice spare tires on the inside there. We can put that away, put this away. Okay, we're now good. We can let the truck down. Alright. Now what you about to do is you about to put your own dump tire in the truck bed. Yeah! Alright. This has been Trace Kill in his big truck. I forgot to take the block cylinder off of, I forgot to take the blocks out, but I don't care, I'm gonna go anyways. Wait for the glow plugs. This brings me to my next lesson, charging your truck. Pop the hood here, turn your key off, make sure that's off. Head over here and do this. See my 6.9 diesel right there. Focus. Okay. Got a brand new radiator, cost me $300. I had some, you know, like stuff going down. Okay. See what I like to do when I charge my truck is use a battery charger. If I can go get one over here. A lot of stuff here. Okay, we got wires and cords and stuff everywhere. I better get a lot of extra credit because I'm doing a lot of work here. Okay. If you got a diesel engine, you're gonna want to jump start it from the passenger side. I don't know why, but they say you're supposed to do that. You can't even see me now, can you? Alright, so you put your red one on the positive. You take your black one, make sure it's in good. Put it on the negative, that's your ground. Okay. Then you find you an extension cord right here. Isn't that convenient? Get your plug it in. Then what you're gonna do, ow, that almost hurt. Gonna set it to 200 amp engine start. Okay, sound like a plan. I wonder if it'll start within 2 seconds of, with 2 seconds of charging, okay? It probably won't because it's got bad batteries and it's a cold diesel, but okay. Wait for the glow plug. Yeah! Starts right up, don't it? Alright. I guess you gotta move the blocks, don't you? Sounds like a good plan, don't it? I broke one of them. on my iPad. Now I know you want to take a ride. We're gonna turn on the dome light so you can see me good. Step on the clutch, shift into reverse. Back this thing up next to my mom's truck. I think I came in a little too close. Let me adjust it here. Driving the yard a little bit. Line up this center block with my tire. That's the wrong way. I think that's pretty good. Hit the curb. We're good. All right.